grinding your coffee just before brewing is a must. But how do you actually grind? Flipping the switch on an expensive electric grinder or cranking a hand grinder for precision? Why should you even need to choose? Meet ARCO, bridging the gap between the luxury of an electric grinder and the freedom of a precision hand grinder. ARCO's revolutionary grind setting system lets you dial your brew all the way from Ibrick to cold brew. Consistency is the key to great coffee. Fine and coarse particles in the same grind will kill your flavors. ARCO breaks the beans into thousands of uniform particles. That's what makes the difference. We have combined smart engineering and premium materials found in professional grinders. The result is a sturdy, precise, and powerful grinder to handle the toughest beans, no matter how you crank it.
ARCO is built to give you freedom to grind coffee at home or on the go, professionally. An engineering innovation with goat story design touch. Let us know if you have any questions or suggestions. We welcome you to back this project and change the way you grind. Forever.
Introducing Sonic Dutch. As a world first, Sonic Dutch allows you to make cold brew coffee at home in only 5 minutes with its innovative sound wave vibration system. Cold brew is often labeled the wine of coffee due to its deep layers of texture and flavor. It also has lower acidity, making it less bitter than hot brews. This is why people the world over love cold brew coffee. The major drawback is the very slow extraction process, which takes more than 10 hours to produce a small amount of coffee. Extracting coffee for long hours means the coffee has more caffeine. Cold water sitting for long hours also creates the potential for E. coli and other germs to find their way into the cold brew. But worry not, coffee lovers, because Sonic Dutch solves all of these problems. With Sonic Dutch, you can extract your own cold brew with the same density and flavor of one that took 10 hours in just 5 minutes. Our coffee is also brewed so quickly that it's a safer, cleaner, and more economical way to enjoy cold brew as much as you desire. Sonic Dutch also comes with a Bluetooth speaker, and you can make your smartphone part of the process. Play your music, and before you finish 2 tracks, you'll have up to a liter of cold brew coffee ready to enjoy. So, how does it work? Sonic Dutch has a special built-in sonic vibration system that creates sound waves to extract cold brew coffee. The system creates constant water waves so that the ground beans and water are evenly mixed throughout the process. Sonic Dutch also allows you to create your desired cold brew coffee taste by controlling the extraction time, as well as the frequency and intensity of the sound waves. For years, our coffee-loving experts went through the process of experimentation to finally achieve Sonic Dutch, which now delivers faster, healthier, and safer cold brews without compromising on the elements that made you fall in love with cold brew in the first place. Enjoy Sonic Dutch cold brew every day at home. Feel the difference.
Here at GoSun, we are dedicated to bringing portable power to the people. Now we are launching GoSun Brew, the power to not only make your own cup of coffee anywhere, but also to run your devices through power outages or any outdoor adventure. Brew is an insulated travel mug that integrates a 12-volt heater and a French press. The smart electronics help to brew an incredible cup of tea or coffee from start to finish, all in one cup you can take anywhere. Your hot beverage is made while running off GoSun Power, a compact power bank with tons of energy and outlets to charge almost any electronic you have. GoSun Power has the best energy to weight ratio out there. It packs enough solar power to charge a laptop 5 times, a smartphone 22 times, or brew 8 cups of coffee. An adjustable DC outlet ranges from 12 to 24 volts to match your device's needs with up to 15 amps of current. Quickly charge the 266 watt-hour lithium-ion battery with GoSun's solar table, or opt for either single or twin folding solar panels that fit in the carry case so you can charge everywhere you go.
At GoSun, we love our morning coffee. Unfortunately, when you're off-grid, you're burning something to make it. It's not fuel-free, and we have to stop burning stuff. That's where the brew comes in.
More than just making hot beverages and powering your devices, this powerful battery combination becomes the center of GoSun's solar kitchen, where our products cook, cool, charge, clean, light, and purify using nothing but the sun's energy. GoSun designs for maximum efficiency and lifespan, which means more to fuel your adventure, more charge for your laptop or camera gear, more power to prepare food or drinks, and more security to get through unexpected challenges. All with clean, powerful solar energy. Power outages and fire bans are becoming increasingly common. GoSun Brew enables you to make a good cup of hot coffee no matter what. Instead of using fire, plug into a 12-volt outlet found in any car, truck, boat, RV, or bring the Power 266 and set up your own solar power plant. GoSun presents the fuel canister of the future.
Introducing MobiBrewer 2.0. This K-Cup coffee maker and travel mug is fully automatic and an all-in-one unit that's ready to go anywhere you are. Use the included auto adapter to heat and brew in your car, or separately purchase the AC wall adapter or battery pack for wherever your day may take you. With preheated water, you can brew coffee anywhere with 2 AAA batteries. This convenient mobile device uses circular pressure brew technology to produce a powerful brew with the simple push of a button. To use, simply open the lid, pour up to 8 ounces, and place your loose grounds into the holder or insert a K-cup. Next, close the lid, plug your device into one of the external power sources, and push the button. A red light will flash when heating is underway. Brewing is complete when the light is solid blue. Flip open the latch at the top to enjoy coffee. To clean, first rinse the inside with water. Next, add water to the container and close the lid. With the AAA batteries installed, push the on button to cycle water through the device for 10 seconds. Enjoy a cup of coffee anywhere with MobiBrewer 2.0.